And today, how to manage our parents during communicating with them. And we have very bad and good experience in previous last 2 years during our lockdown, during COVID and online classes. Many teachers remember that day when the door was closed by parents in lack of communicating. Why? Because they don't want to give their fees. That was the main problem. But they don't come to see what their child is doing in their classes. It is bad or good. And when we try to communicate them to come and see your child's bad performance or the child has many complaints in class, they don't come. So how we communicate our parents? We all know, because most time we call them by phones, by messages, and mostly they ignore them. Why they ignore? Because we always call them about bad habits of their child or any queries of fees or any copy or book or mark sheet or whatever. But we don't call them about good performance of their child. Mostly we call that your child has done this work and that work. And so that they excuse themselves. They don't want to come. Why? Because they already know that his or her child has done the good work in class, so teachers is calling. And mostly they want to excuse them from the account department also. So to communicate with them, we have to call for their good habits also. When child is doing good in work or any activity. Mostly we do our event in school, Republic Day or annual function or anything. We always do in ourselves only. We have to call them in that so that they come and communicate with us. They know about us. Mostly time we have to tell the parents how to deal with their child, because we know that the child is not doing well. We call them and ask the problem. We know that the child has this problem or that problem. But did the parents know that his or her child has that problem? No, because they don't have time. They always say, मैम हम लोग के पास तो समय नहीं है, क्या करें, हम लोग तो दिन भर बिजी हैं, ऑफिस में हैं, यहाँ है वहाँ. Why? जब हम लोग भी तो busy. You have to give that time to your child to ask him or her what you have done or not, good habits, bad habits, what they want. But nowadays, what we do, and our mostly child also that do, they take their phones and they engage in that. They are engaged with their friends in talking, but they don't want to talk with their parents, because they know that I have done this bad work. If I will go, I will get punishment. Because mostly parents think that the child has done bad things, I will punish him. But they don't go for that what you have done good things, tell me and I will appreciate you. We have training, so much trainings by CBSE, by in-house. But why don't we give trainings to parents also? This is my idea. What do you think? But my idea, that when we get trainings, why don't we give parents also? One day, at least one day, training about child psychology, about their thinking, about their problems, about their results, about their study, about their understanding level. Why? We have to give them also training. One parent came to me and said that, ma'am, please don't give mental pressure to my child. I will submit fees after 10 days, 15 days. He said that we are giving them mental torture. But he doesn't understand that they are also giving the mental torture to students. Why? Because they don't come to school. They don't connect with us. Then whom we will tell us? We will tell to students now. So we have to give these trainings to parents also. Come to school and take training from us that what your child wants and how you have to take care of your child, of their studies. One student in class 1B, everyone knows of us 1-2 teachers, Tejasvi. we mostly every teachers call their parents. They didn't come till now. They didn't come. Why? Because they know that his or her child, they will only give me their complaints and complaints. But if they want to come school and meet us, then we will give some good things about that student also. For that we have to start, this is my opinion, I don't know about yourself. So we have to give some competition between parents, such as childs have, teachers have, some competition between parents also. Any type of competition. After that competition, they will try to compete and they will try to come to school, and they will come school for that. They will not come for their child, but they will come for some bribe. That bribe we give to child and student and our son, daughter also. That bribe, yes, that the school, if I will win this competition, I will get that award. For that they will come to school. After that they will know about that child. We don't give any expensive thing, but we give some appreciations or anything that we can give, we can organize for that. And when the parents come to school to take their results, many parents don't come to take their results. Why? Because they know the performance of their child very well. But for that we have to organize some that things that the child, the poor performance in studies, they do something good in that any other activity, we have to call in that. Come and see the performance of your child. If they will come and see their performance, after that they will try to come when teacher calls them. Because when the parents get good things about their child, they will interested in coming. But when they only listen bad, only parents teach these things. They don't teach them, okay, what you want, come with me, I will spend time for that word with yourself. If child want to play, parents give them mobile, take it and play games. And after that, child becomes dumb. Why? Because he scold us every time. We will say, no, I will not go. हम उसके पास नहीं जाएंगे. क्यों नहीं जाएंगे? उसके पास जाते हमेशा बुरा ही बोलता है, बोल जाना ही नहीं है. So that things parents also think. So try to search some good things about that child and organize an event or any performance that the child has done. Send them also. Try to connect with them physically, face to face. We always try to connect with phones. We just call them and tell some problems or some good things or some bad things. And in connection with mobiles, they don't see our facial expression. They don't see our feelings. They only say that ma'am has told that, ma'am was working that, ma'am has given that instructions. But when we talk to them face to face, they will see our expression. And sometimes we forgot to say something on mobiles. Obviously, when we talk to our relatives also, we see that when we talk face to face, we have so many, lots of talking. And the time has gone on, but topics not finished. Such time we face with parents also. We have to say 5 things. When we call them, we say only 2, 3. Rest to we forget. So try to call them and meet face to face. And tell them that what your child has done in the class, not only bad things but good things also. Even not only juniors, not only in junior classes, because junior classes parents mostly come to take their parents and they take their students and they connect with the teachers. But call seniors parents also, because we have many mischievous work in senior classes. That we know very well, that when they grow up, they do many mischievous work. What we do? We only punish them. We say, don't come school. Don't go home and call your parents. But that student don't call their parents, because he and she knows that when I will call my parents, live in that environment. So he does that. So to stop all these things, one short, what you will say, paragraph is here from Albert Einstein or thought, I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of idiots. ये बिल्कुल सही है, क्योंकि हम लोग भी इस चीज को फेस कर रहे हैं. हम लोग के घर में भी बच्चे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है. We also see that when child is giving their most time in online classes, they forget their discipline, they forget their writing, they forget their learning capacity. They forget how to talk with parents. They forget how to talk with teachers. When they come to school in offline classes, we face many problems: shouting, noising, no writing. One sentence we give one sentence to write them. They take 10 minutes, 15 minutes to write them. Why? Because they are connected with mobiles. They don't connected with the humans. Mostly parents give online classes, they don't give tuitions. No need. And they don't sit by them also to make them teach. Why? Oh, online class वही WhatsApp पे आ ही गया, ग्रुप पे आ ही गया, बच्चे उतार लो बेटा, उतार लेना. But how many minutes he takes to write down these all things, we don't know, they don't know. And so we getting idiots, as Albert Einstein said. So don't connect only with mobiles. Don't connect only with. We can give them some survey sheet also. Such we get on in Begusrai. We get some survey sheet in Begusrai. Such sheets we can give to parents also. Detailed information sheet about the student. What are their hobbies? What are their bad habits? What are their good habits? What are their problems and what are their good things? Use registration time to build a foundation. Make open house a special event, which I have told in starting. We have to organize an event for parents also. Contact them with good news also. By these points, we can communicate with parents effectively, skillfully. Meaningful interaction that foster the development of. Why should we communicate? Why should we interact? We should interact for problem solving skills, realistic evaluation, acceptance of self, relationships of management. To improve all things, we will communicate with the child. We will communicate with their parents. Most of the students don't come school always. They only come in exams. 2-3 days before they come and continue, they will remain till exams. After that, again they are at home. We have to call that parents and communicate with them. And we also try to call, but they don't come. Why? Because they know parents, teachers will say that why he is not coming, why she is not coming. So, what we have to do? We have to organize an event so that all parents, and we make compulsory. If you will not join this event, your child, their wishes. But mostly parents don't do that because they are busy in their mobiles, busy in their work, busy in their business, job or anything or other activities and other communication. Mostly parents, what do they get free time, they take phones and start talking with their relatives or friends or anywhere. Why? Because they need that, this is my important work. They don't know the important work is your child. First you talk with them, then talk otherwise. But they don't understand. How they will get understand when we will try to make them understand. And for that, we have to communicate and worldliness, comfort with complexity, goal setting. We know that we have goals. We have to get good marks, good results. Child has goals that they have to get marks, good marks, rankers, but parents don't have goals. They don't know what they want to do. They don't know what their child want to do. When they passed out 10, then they know what you want to study, what you want to be. Why don't you ask now that what you want to study and which is your favorite subject? Teachers know which is the favorite subject of child, but parents don't know. For that, we have to tell them, we have to motivate them, we have to communicate and tell, to ask them what they are interested and what they want to study, which is most interesting subject for him or her. Which game you want most? What are your hobbies? Parents don't know. Mostly parents don't know what are their hobbies. But teachers know. Why? Because we communicate with child and we ask many types of questions. In conversation also we ask many questions. We take conversation exam for giving grades, but we know many things about that child. These things parents should also do with their child. By teacher also. So try to call seniors, parents also and connect with them, not only for complaint, otherwise also for any good thing, for any topics, for their understanding level, for their performance. And we have some topics that what our child needs. It is only duty to give a good environment by teachers. Why don't the parents also? We have two scenes in Tare Zameen. There is problem for laptop and speaker. Everyone has seen the Tare Zameen. सबने तारे जमी देख लिया है. कोई ऐसे हैं जो नहीं देखे हैं? सबने देखा होगा. सर आपने नहीं देखा, कोई बात नहीं. तो तारे जमी में एक सीन है जब आमिर खान प्रिंसिपल सर के पास जाते हैं और वो बोलते हैं दैट द चाइल्ड ईशान अवस्थी हैज दैट प्रॉब्लम इन देयर माइंड, ही डोंट नो द लेटर्स प्रॉपरली. द प्रिंसिपल टोल्ड हिम दैट हाउ कैन ऑल टीचर only focus on that student, because they don't have time. They don't have so much time that all teachers will focus only that student and just of the students not. In that case, Amir Khan what had done? Amir Khan उस बच्चे के parents के घर गया. I don't say you to go home, but I'm trying to telling that the connection he made with their parents. When he go at his home, he see many pictures. First he tried to talk with his father. He don't want to listen. He said, oh, my child is not abnormal. But when he see all pictures that the Ishan has made, colorful pictures, he said that your child is understanding many things. But what he is understanding, you don't understand. These things only teacher can catch, not parents. Because we know that these 40 students are which type? Who is learning, who is not learning, who is playing, who is naughty. But parents don't see.
रखिए, कभी-कभी आपको जीवन में सबसे अच्छा पाने के लिए सबसे बुरे दौर से गुजरना पड़ता है और सबने इस दौर से गुजरा भी है 2020 में, बहुत ही बुरे दौर से. तो इस चीज को एक टीचर ही समझ सकते हैं और क्लैपिंग फॉर ऑल टीचर्स टू फेस दैट इन दैट कम्युनिकेशन, बिकॉज each and every teacher tolerate very badly that situation and they come out from that situation also. So we sometimes we also escape ourselves to face that parents, because we had faced that situation also. But it is not the solution. If we want good results, if we want good child, if we want disciplined child, we have to communicate with them. Don't escape ourselves from facing problems. Try to face them. And we know that every good thing has some bad thing also. Every action has a reaction. So we face many reactions, sometimes more, one more. So for one more we have to communicate. If you just communicate, you can get by. But if you communicate skillfully, you can work miracles. सिर्फ कम्युनिकेट नहीं करना है, सिर्फ बात नहीं करना है, उसको इस तरह से बात करना है कि वो आपकी बात से मोटिवेट हो सके, आपकी बातों को समझ सके और उस चीज पर वो खुद भी कोशिश करे, वो खुद भी सोचे कि नहीं, मैम और सर हैज टोल्ड गुड थिंग्स, आई हैव टू डू दैट, नॉट ओनली लिसनिंग फ्रॉम हियर एंड just gone out. So try to communicate skillfully, and for that we have to teach them that what the child needs to increase that skills for love of learning. Parents should understand that when they get learning in any subject by their internal, जैसे सर ने बताया कि जिस चीज को पढ़ाना है आपको, उसके लिए आपका पूरी तरह से समर्पण, डेडिकेशन होना चाहिए। तो ये चीज बच्चे में भी होनी चाहिए, बट कैसे होनी चाहिए? इसके लिए हम अकेले काफी नहीं है, वी आर नॉट इनफ, वी हैव टू टेक कॉपरेशन फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स, वी हैव टू से देम, मोटिवेट देम, they make the child love of learning, skill at learning, self knowledge, and parents should also try to know that what the child has their self knowledge, what they know about study or about any activity. And communication, the most important thing, parents should communicate with their child more than us. We communicate 40 minutes a day in 40 students, but parents should communicate with their child at least 5 minutes personally, only for him or her. Listen him and understand what they want, what their aim, what their wishes. But mostly parents not do that, because they are busy in their mobiles, busy in their work, busy in their business, job or anything, or other activities and other communication. Mostly parents, what do they get free time, they take phones and start talking with their relatives or friends or anywhere. Why? Because they need that, this is my important work. They don't know the important work is your child. First you talk with them, then talk otherwise. But they don't understand. How they will get understand? When we will try to make them understand. And for that, by parents. So you have to call them not only by mobile, by face to face, physically. And for that, all teachers should be brave and should, what I say, no sir, not active, should make themselves be bold to face that reaction also. That will come after making that rules. When we feel reaction on that day, then why don't parents should also follow that rules? Why only we? Why only teachers? Most parents say, अरे हम तो फीस देते हैं, फ्री में थोड़ी पढ़ा रहे हैं। अरे तो आप फीस दे रहे, किसको दे रहे हैं? बच्चा आपका पढ़ रहा है तभी तो आप फीस दे रहे हैं, फ्री में थोड़ी आप टीचर या मैनेजमेंट ले रहा है। But they don't understand. Most parents say, अरे मैम स्कूल तो चला नहीं, फिर हम लोग क्यों दे पैसा? तो आपको मटेरियल दे रहा है, मैनेजमेंट तो आपके फ्यूचर को देख करके सिक्योर्ड है। तो ये चीज सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं होते हैं और रिएक्शंस देते हैं, पर हम लोग को क्या करना, हम लोग को तो रिएक्शंस झेलना है ना, क्योंकि हम लोग टीचर्स हैं और फ्यूचर बिल्डर हैं, और कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए कुछ बुरा तो होता ही। So be bold to face reactions and arrange PTM, arrange events, and try to communicate with all parents and try to motivate them to spend their time with their children. It's enough, sir.
In previous age, we were playing on the grounds. We are physically strong about that playing. We are mentally strong. We think that how to save ourselves from danger. But nowadays, when child go out from the house, they get fall. They face many problems and they don't know how to face that, because they are only living in home and only playing with mobiles. Most parents, okay, don't go outside, I'm giving you carom board. Is that carom board is beneficial for that child? No, because they don't do any physical work. Small childs can't do any physical work, but they play. After that, they get physically involved in that game. Their strength and the thinking capacity of mind develop. But when they come school, that जो अंदर का होता है ना छुपा हुआ, they start playing in the class with friends, fighting, talking, scratching. Why? Pushing and pulling. Why? Because they don't get that things at home. They are single or double. Ma'am, mummy and papa always, hey, don't do that thing, don't do that, don't make sound. Why? Because they get irritated. And in our class, 40 students are doing something. For 2 or 3 minutes, we tolerate that. After that, we all make them silent. But 2-3 minutes we tolerate. But their parents are not tolerating them. So we face that naughtiness in our class. To control that also, we have to communicate with the parents. If we will communicate with parents, we explain the problems of their child, we explain the performance of the child, then when they cooperate us, we will get a good environment for the child, and the child will develop in her studies, in playing, in any activity, and mostly they get respect, and they will give respect also to us. Why? Because their parents motivate them. Most parents are not literate. We know most are not literate. They talk with their child, here, hege. Why? Because that the environment is that. The environment is that. We told them don't say aad. Mostly students say in class, aad kar liye miss. What is the meaning of aad? Because the environment at home was aad, not yaad. So to teach them, to motivate them, we have to take cooperation from parents. And to take cooperation from parents, we have to communicate face to face. Mostly I tolerate some parents at the gate in
during dispersal time.
At the dispersal, mostly, मैम मेरे बच्चे को इसने मारा, मैम मेरे बच्चे को उसने मारा. अरे बच्चे को मारा तो आपका बच्चा क्या किया, पहले आप उसको तो देखिए. मैम इस बच्चे ने इसका चुरा लिया. Why? Because that child, they will only give me their complaints and complaints. But if they want to come school and meet us, then we will give some good things about that student also. For that, we have to start. This is my opinion. I don't know about yourself. So we have to give some competition between parents, such as childs have, teachers have. Some competition between parents also. Any type of competition. After that competition, they will try to compete and they will try to come to school, and they will come school for that. They will not come for that child, but they will come for some bribe. That bribe we give to child and student and our son, daughter also. That bribe, yes, that the school, if I will win this competition, I will get that award. For that they will come to school. After that they will know about that child. We don't give any expensive thing, but we give some appreciations or anything that we can give. We can organize for that. And when the parents come to school to take their results, many parents don't come to take their results. Why? Because they know the performance of their child very well. But for that we have to organize some that things that the child, the poor performance in studies, they do something good in that any other activity, we have to call in that. Come and see the performance of your child. If they will come and see their performance, after that they will try to come when teacher calls them. Because when the parents get good things about their child, they will interested in coming. But when they only listen bad,